Water is the driving force of all nature. It covers 70% of our planet's surface, but only 3% is fresh water, and just 0.3% of our global water resources are usable in practice. Water scarcity already affects every continent. By 2025, 2/3 of the world's population could be threatened by water shortage. That's why Evonik is constantly developing new technologies to save water. Biosurfactant technology is one of them. With RewoFerm RL100, less water is required for the rinsing step than with other traditional surfactants. Water quality varies all over the world. The effectiveness of RewoFerm RL100 is independent of water hardness. It works in all conditions, even in dirty water. RewoFerm RL100 can also be used to develop highly concentrated formulations. It has exceptionally low aqua toxicity, making it safe for oceanic life. This helps brands stand out from the competition. We're changing the game for those who can't, without sacrificing performance. Will you be part of this journey?
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.